Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George the Filler Scrambler. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today's something special. We are at Avalon in the Catalinas. Yeah, we're here on Catalina Island. Going to have some fun walking through the town. So do me a favor, come join me. Doing the City of Avalon on the cheap. Yeah, we didn't pay for an excursion. We just planned to walk around and see some of the sights in the City of Avalon. You know, head down to the casino, Descanso Beach, and then do some shopping, some eating, and of course Terry's going to spend some money on some trinkets. When we're done with that, we're going to head back to the boat, do some water slides, and that should be a fun day. Now, rule number one, you have to have fun. Sailing on a 4-night Carnival Radiance cruise, leaving from Long Beach, California, the first port of call on the itinerary is Catalina Island. Yeah, tendering to the City of Avalon. The City of Avalon is an incorporated city in the California Channel Islands, and for a bit of knowledge, is the southernmost city in Los Angeles County, United States. When you get there, you will notice that Avalon is surrounded by the beautiful Avalon Bay on the south end of Santa Catalina Island. The ship anchored at sea near Avalon, and we were transported by tender over to the Cabrera Mole tender piers, or you just may call it the tender boat terminal. For you historical nuts, yeah, the City of Avalon was named after Avalon, the mystical island where King Arthur's sword Excalibur was made. So you're going to get off the tender right here on one of these little piers, and most of the crowd's going to get off the tender and head towards the city. But if you take a left and come up here to the little port center, you'll find out that there's some restrooms here and a great place to take a picture across the bay there to the ship. So if you want to take a little break and beat out the crowds, certainly you may want to go ahead and head over to this area where there's not going to be very many people. If you walk around the corner right here, there it is, the Carnival Radiance in its glory, and see the ship. Great place maybe if you turn around, smile, and get a selfie. That's pretty exciting. And a cool selfie place. Yay?
Yay.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Welcome to
The Island Valley of Avalon.
Whoa. Sounds like a perfume.
Sounds like a mystery book or something.
As this video title says, we're going to do things on the cheap today. That means a walking tour of Avalon. On our walking tour, we are heading to the main oceanfront, often referred to as Front Street. But on the map, the real name is Crescent Avenue. You're going to find out it's about a 4-minute walk from the cruise tender, docked at Cabrera Mole, to that oceanfront. Now, if you're one of those lucky ones and doing a golf cart excursion, it's going to take you about 4 minutes to get down to the golf cart rentals also. So yeah, not a very long walk. If you want to do something on the cheap, here it is. A hole in the wall. Yeah, be these frugal visitors and head right up that hillside to see a small alcove, a rock, and, oh well, whatever else is there. Climb at your own risk. We skipped this activity. Seeing that psychic sign, maybe I should have stopped in there so that psychic could have told me what we've had already done in the future, so I didn't have to plan anymore. Being as cheap as I am, yeah, I decided just to keep on going and figure out that future myself.
It's pretty water down there.
Jump in?
I would. I would have brought my snorkeling gear. Oop, there's a sub over there.
Thinking of going on the cheap side, on oceanfront there are 3 public beaches, and there's also one private beach. But those public beaches is South Beach, Middle Beach, and Step Beach. They are public beaches that lie along Crescent Avenue. During the summer months, there's even a lifeguard on duty, as well as swim lines to keep you from going out too far. They're close to restrooms, and they're absolutely free. Now on this tour, being in February, yeah, the water was 52 degrees, we chose to walk by the beach and not swim in them. I think that was a good choice, but feel free to pack a beach towel. You know, to sit on the sand. Have the kids skip some rocks into the bay. Or even get your feet wet any time of the year. But just enjoy the view and those ocean sounds. What a wonderful day this was. As we're looking across the water there, you see one of the highlights of Avalon. That's Green Pleasure Pier. Oh, I don't know what type of pleasure I'm going to get there, but certainly you can pick up a lot of tours and some good places to eat.
We get some hot dogs for about $7, hamburgers, cold drinks. Off the ship, there's some excursions. There's parasailing. There's a snorkeling. They'll give you some wetsuits. There's a submarine that you can go float on. Basically, it's a glass bottom boat. I don't think it actually goes underneath the water. It does surprise me. You can go and get golf carts. That's one of the big excursions. Other excursions that sound like fun, electric bikes. I think you can go deep sea fishing. An excursion to do that. Other than just walking around, having some fun walking around from place to place.
At the end of the Green Pleasure Pier, you can see Catalina's Casino. Yeah, it's a large gathering facility located on Avalon. Now, that is one of our goals, is to walk to that particular casino. It's not a true casino, it just has a large amphitheater in it, but it will be a fun walk. As we walk off the pier, we're going to find that the walking time from Green Pleasure Pier to the casino is about 5 minutes, for most people anyway. It is a non-strenuous walk. You'll have to head to Via Casino off Crescent Avenue, allowing you to follow the shoreline and via some beautiful building, architecture, and of course, shopping.
Why do people shop at this store? For the halibut. Don't flounder around. Get inside and buy some fish art.
If you notice, Front Street is pedestrian friendly and closed to all traffic except for emergency vehicles and those occasional golf cart drivers who can't read signs. As you're kind of leaving downtown and heading to the casino building, you're going to bypass on the left Step Beach and the boat mooring areas to these wonderful arches called Via Casino. Through those arches, you'll head over to a pedestrian walkway where there's no vehicles. It's just a nice, pleasant walk along the seashore.
So it is Via Casino.
Now during this walk, if you find yourself, you gotta go, right past those arches, you'll find a public restroom. And for $3, you can take a shower. I'm pointing out people that have subscribed, so feel free to do so. Down this trail, you'll run into the Catalina Island Yacht Club. You know it has been a welcoming landmark in Avalon Bay since the building was completed in 1924. It's one of the oldest and most unique yacht clubs in Southern California, and it has a proud history rich in lore and tradition of Catalina Island. So make sure you take time and get that selfie in front of it. Yeah. This iconic Catalina Casino has been the focal point of Catalina Island entertainment and culture since its opening in 1929. For nearly a century, the casino has been a venue of choice for great entertainment, Broadway productions, and special events. The casino was built under the directions of Win Wigley Jr. The iconic building was designed by Summer Spalding and Walter Weber as the first circular building of its time. Now it's been restored to original condition. The Art Deco and Mediterranean Revival building is a stunning reminder of Catalina's glorious past.
At one time, yeah, it's all patinaed.
What's that?
There's probably once shiny copper and now it's all patinaed.
Oh yeah. It's dark there.
After you take time and look at that casino, our plan was to get down to Descanso Beach, and that's at the Descanso Beach Club. The beach itself is a private beach. So as you go past the casino, the road turns into St. Catherine Way, which also leads to the Descanso Beach Club, Descanso Canyon, where there's zip lines and aerial ventures, and Hamilton Cove. So on our cheap tour, we had planned to go to Descanso Beach Club, turn around, head back to Avalon, and then do some shopping and some eating. So that's our plans. So let's continue on with this journey.
That was a big one.
That was a big one. Maybe we can hold the button down and make it rapid fire. So, dude, it's coming for me. It's coming for me. I pulled the camera away. And it got me wet.
The Casino Point Underwater Park is located right next to that world-famous casino building. It was first established in 1962. This park is the first non-profit underwater park in the country, and maybe the world. How do I know? I've been told it offers the best shore diving in California, and if the water wasn't so cold, I'd be hopping right in. Now, to make entry and exit out of this water as easy as possible, they provided the cement stairs and handrails. Yeah, bring your gear on the trip, or rent some in the many dive shops they have here in Avalon. Now, this dive park is a protected machine sanctuary, so if you do some diving here, please do not disturb the habitat. Look and enjoy. Now, since we have reached our destination on our stroll, we needed to head back to Front Street to do some shopping, eating, and exploring the adventures of Avalon. Yeah, it's time to have some fun downtown. There are stores galore for us to enter, to look at all the trinkets they may have, and to spend our hard-earned cash. And of course, that elusive souvenir.
Ahoy there, matey. Captain Rambler here. So give me an opinion.
Around where it kisses.
Is she the purple Rambler right there?
You're messing up my hair, dude.
Is she the purple Rambler? Give her a vote yes if she is. What, now you're stiff? The hat makes her stiff. It's a pretty little town here. The, again, pure tourist trap. No place to eat, corner markets. So we'll have to decide what we want to order here. Okay.
Thanks so much.
Pineapple burger.
And a large Coke.
Hey, is that gonna be all for you? Any fries?
Maybe, yeah.
Do you want fries?
Yeah, are they French fries?
French fries.
They're the
Okay.
best.
Fries.
They're the
Cheese
best?
fries. Give us one fry.
Alright.
Awesome.
Also, I gotta go in here.
Do you realize that Catalina Island is known for its pottery? Yeah. The Catalina Clay Products, a division of Santa Catalina Island Company, produce bricks, tiles, tableware, and decorative pottery right here on Santa Catalina Island. You will see plenty of examples of these tiles throughout your walk around the storefronts. And if you like, head down to the Catalina Pottery and Tile Company. Head on to the back of the store and look for that vault full of vintage Catalina pottery. Looking is free. And you know what? What a treat! These Catalina blue glazed pitchers and tumblers, I've read, are worth about $500 to $625 per set. Oh, Those are very collectible.
Panoramic.
And at the end of the day, take your kiddos to the city park to stretch their legs and to pound some of their energy out of them.
You pretend they're shooting at alien aircraft. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe we'll get a UFO. Since Catalina's known for UFOs, certainly that looks fun to play on. Play the bongos. Here we go.
After spending a few minutes in the park, shooting down those UFOs and becoming a musical genius, we headed back to the tender. Yeah, we need to get back to the ship to do those evening activities. As we end our day here at Avalon, we were very happy that we did get off the ship. We felt we were safe around the ocean front, and we loved that walking tour we went on. As the sun sets here on Santa Catalina Island, I want to thank each one of you for joining us on this tour. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, so you can be forewarned of our future adventures. Please give me 2 thumbs up, just to be nice. This is George, the fearless rambler, finally getting done with this tour and heading to the water slides on the Radiance, signing off.